One of those challenges, long wait lists, limited space. The owner of Primrose locations in Lincoln told me they are at max capacity for enrollment. She says the same could be said for centers across the city.
Demand for childcare here in Lincoln is very high. With centers closing or restructuring, that creates pressure on families to find reliable care.
From affordability to availability, early child care centers are seeing panic among parents and parents-to-be who are trying to get ahead of the curve.
We do have a lot of families where we are the very first people that they tell that they are pregnant because they know that quality early childhood care for infants especially is in demand.
In addition to increased demands, other centers across the state are having a hard time finding workers with experience. It was one of the conversations among legislators in First 5 Nebraska.
What we are trying to do in collaboration with policymakers and other partners is improve the availability by making it easier for programs to operate, by allowing more people to choose childcare as a viable career option.
First 5 Nebraska says it was called on by the governor to create policies that will contribute to healthy care of children in the Good Life state, with a focus on increasing the availability of child health care and strengthening the workforce, improving health and well-being of parents and child care workers, and improve the regulatory environment of programs like microcenters or home-based centers. Michael Medwick says the development of more microcenters that share an administrative hub would allow more centers to open without the hassle of certain duties.
The educators in those programs can really focus on caring for the children, less about sort of the backroom work of managing the centers.
Other bills focus on the health of parents during early stages of child development. One bill allocates funding to the Nebraska DHHS for early nurse home visiting programs. First 5 says the work the organization does is only possible through collaborative efforts from lawmakers and the people working on the grounds. Reporting in Lincoln, Chanel Taylor McCarthy, 1011 News.